Guys, today we're gonna be making slime. As you can see, we have school glue, baking soda.
Well, I'm joining in on the fun.
Hey, but you're watching the movie
And you don't have a bowl.
Yeah.
We
I
don't need
have
mine to help.
food coloring and contact solution, and a bowl, of course.
Do you have anything I can use?
And mixing tools. There you go.
Fine, if you don't want me to join, fine.
Oh, our Musical.ly accounts will be down below, including my Snapchat, her Instagram.
My Musical.ly will be down below too.
Her name's Blue Jay Girl. You probably
Sailor
know.
Saturn, as usual.
So, you're gonna start off by putting in some glue. Now, don't put too much, okay? And you're gonna mix it so that you just like wanna mix it. Go ahead, have more. Okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit more.
Mix, 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 mix.
And
then a big
food
pink
coloring.
Oh yeah, food coloring.
So, food coloring. Don't matter what kind. I'm gonna do a
I'm
sunset
doing blue.
yellow. So.
Oh, by the way, we are making. This is how to make slime.
Oh, make sure to check out the 3 a.m. slime one. That one was really scary.
Yeah, my slime changed color. Tonight we're gonna do another one.
If I spend the night. Hopefully.
Oh, this is a cute baby blue.
So, this beautiful pea yellow. And then what
A
you can
big pink.
a baking soda.
I came in like a wrecking ball. Wrecking ball slime.
And then mix.
Please stop. Hush. We need to do a name reveal.
Okay.
Remember?
What do you mean name reveal?
So, got the baking soda down.
Like tell our real names or?
That's the whole point of a name reveal.
Contact solution.
Well, I'll do a name reveal tomorrow, hopefully.
Or probably at 3 a.m. when we're scared little babies.
And it should start coming together if you add enough.
Yeah.
And make sure to check out the Musical.ly tour, like how to make one. A Musical.ly account. Make sure to check that out if you don't have Musical.ly.
Are we sharing the slime account?
No, I didn't know that we were sharing it. Oh yeah, yeah.
Because it has both of our names.
So we also have a slime account that we're sharing.
Apparently.
It's called Slimy Ray. Slimy Ray on Musical.ly, okay? And then it has Sailor and Harley on it. Sailor and Harley, okay? So that they know it's ours, both of ours. So don't add too much to over-activate it. Otherwise, when you play with it, it'll be too stiff. So you don't want that.
Okay.
Yeah, you need yours now. I didn't read the note. So I have to keep mixing. Keep one open handle. And always keep one open hand just in case it's too sticky.
Yeah, don't do what I did at 3 a.m.
Yeah, make sure to check out that scary video. Okay.
It's all real.
Totally not fake like Ruby Moon.
Ours was real.
So, yeah. We also, in the morning, like when we woke up, we heard these weird dog noises, and there's nothing by our window.
I sleep upstairs.
And it was really loud. It sounded like it was in the house.
Oh, apartment.
Yeah, apartment.
It's a 2-story apartment complex. Each apartment has 2 floors of their own.
So, yeah, like I said, keep one open hand. Hers is coming together, but not mine very well.
Where'd it go?
Where'd you go?
I was swinging with the slime and then it ripped off. I need to find it.
Oh, our friend bannagun or Blue
yeah.
Jay Girl on YouTube. I'll put her subscription,
You know where my slime went?
her
Musically.
YouTube and Musical.ly name down below.
So this is really sticky, guys.
Yeah. Look at mine.
Okay, how much time we have left?
Anyways, we'll do a part 2 soon.
Okay.
Later. Bye.
Bye.